Hello, Junior Wanderers. Dive into the muddy adventure of Splashy Safari, where sea and farm animals embark on an aquatic jungle expedition. Join us for an unforgettable journey filled with excitement, teamwork, and discovery. Gear up for a Farmyard rescue rally as we race to save farm animals stuck in the mud. Work together with your team to overcome obstacles and bring our furry friends back to safety. So let's start the video. The surprising facts about chickens. Chickens are one of the most populous bird species on the planet, with billions of them raised worldwide for meat and egg production. Chicken is one of the most versatile meats enjoyed in various cuisines globally. It is a good source of lean protein. Exploring the unique ecology of hippopotamus. Hippos are generally social animals and live in groups called pods or blots. These groups can range from a few individuals to as many as 30 members. Hippos are known for being highly territorial and aggressive, especially when it comes to protecting their territory. Arctic ambassadors, the story of seals. Seals have streamlined bodies which help them move gracefully through the water. Their limbs are modified into flippers which aid in swimming. They can dive into the great depths and stay submerged for extended periods. Seals have a thick layer of blubber under their skin. Decoding the language of rabbit. Rabbits have large, sensitive ears that can rotate independently to detect sounds from various directions. This helps them be aware of potential predators. There are over 60 different breeds of domestic rabbits, each with its own unique characteristics, sizes, and fur types. Witnessing the wonder of dolphins. Dolphins are among the most intelligent animals on earth. They demonstrate problem-solving abilities, self-awareness, and even exhibit cultural behaviors within their pods. Dolphins are incredibly agile swimmers and are known for their acrobatic displays, including leaps. A closer look at this curious goat. Goats are milk producers and their milk is often consumed as an alternative to cow's milk. Certain goat breeds, such as the Saanen and Alpine, are particularly known for their high milk production. There are numerous goat breeds worldwide. Let's see what our next animal is, that is Orca Whale. Orcas belong to the family Delphinidae, making them the largest members of the dolphin family. Adult male orcas typically range from 20 to 26 feet in length. Orcas are apex predators and have a diverse diet that includes fish, fleece, fur, and friends, the sheep. Sheep are found all over the world and are raised for various purposes in different climates and environments. Sheep exhibit strong flocking instincts and often follow a leader, which can make them easier to manage as a group. Lifespan of a sheep is around 6 to 14 years. Unmasking the strength of bulls. Bulls are generally larger and heavier than cows. The size and weight can vary significantly depending on the breed. The lifespan of a bull varies, but they typically live around 15 years depending on factors such as breed, health, and living conditions. Unmasking the mystique of donkeys. Donkeys belong to the Equidae family, which also includes horses and zebras. Donkeys have been domesticated for thousands of years and have been used as working animals in various cultures around the world. Donkeys have long ears, which are longer than those of horses. Unraveling the mysteries of frogs. Frogs are amphibians, meaning they live both on land and in water. They typically start their lives as aquatic larvae and undergo metamorphosis to become terrestrial adults. Frogs are known for their exceptional jumping abilities. Frogs breathe through their skin. In-depth exploration of our furry friends, cat. Cats are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. This behavior is a result of their evolution as hunters, as these times provide optimal conditions for hunting prey and they can right themselves in mid-air if they fall. A symphony of nature bamboo panda. Pandas have a relatively low reproduction rate. Female pandas are fertile for only 2 to 3 days per year, making successful breeding in captivity challenging. Pandas can eat up to 12 to 38 kilograms of bamboo per day. Exploring the role and impact of horses. Horses are social animals that form strong bonds with others, both within and outside their herd. Horses have hyposodont teeth, which means their teeth continually grow throughout their lives. Horses have panoramic vision. Let's discover next cute animal, duck. Ducks can be found on every continent except Antarctica. They inhabit a variety of environments including freshwater lakes, rivers, marshes and coastal areas. Ducks are omnivores and their diet can include aquatic plants, small fish, insects. And next in line, meet the whale shark. The whale shark is a fascinating and unique species of shark. They can grow to an average length of 12 meters, but some individuals have been reported to reach lengths of up to 18 meters. Whale sharks are found in warm waters across the world's ocean, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. The enchanting story of reindeer. Reindeer are known for their long-distance migrations. They can cover hundreds of miles in search of food, often moving in large herds. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia and North America. In North America, they are known as caribou. Secrets of the seabed. A lobster's life. Lobsters are a popular seafood delicacy. They are often prepared by boiling, steaming, grilling or baking. The meat is commonly served with butter and other complementary flavors. Lobsters are non-generally solitary animals and they are territorial. The astounding abilities of octopuses. Octopuses are considered highly intelligent invertebrates. They have complex nervous systems and are known for their problem-solving abilities. Some species exhibit tool use and can even open jaws to access food. Octopuses are masters of camouflage. Journey into the Rhinoceros realm. Rhinos are known for their powerful charges. Despite their massive size, they can run at surprisingly high speeds, especially when they feel threatened. Rhinos are endangered due to poaching for their horns, habitat loss, and various other human-induced threats. A visual safari into the zebra's domain. There are 3 species of zebras, and each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, similar to human fingerprints. The black and white stripes are thought to act as a form of camouflage in the grasslands, confusing predators such as lions and hyenas. Zebras are found in various habitats. Unveiling the wonders of elephant. Elephants are believed to have excellent memories. They can remember and recognize other individuals even after many years. Elephants are highly social animals living in family groups. Elephants are known for their high level of intelligence, emotional sensitivity, and problem-solving abilities. Under the shell, a close look at the turtle. Turtles can be found in a variety of habitats, including oceans, rivers, lakes, and land. Different species of turtles have adapted to different environments. Many turtle species have long lifespans. Some can live for several decades, and a few species can even reach a century or more. Turtles are well known for their unique feature, the shell. Unveiling the enigmatic life of clownfish. Clownfish are primarily found in warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, particularly in coral reefs and shallow lagoons. They are most commonly associated with the Indo-Pacific region. Clownfish communicate through various means, including visual signals like body movements and color changes. They also use vocalizations and tactile communications. Next in line, the big fascinating cow. Cows are social animals and often form close bonds with other members of their herd. Cows are often considered gentle animals. They have a calm demeanor and many people raise them for their milk, meat, and other products. The average lifespan of a cow is around 15 to 20 years, but this can vary depending on factors such as breed, health, and living conditions. Thank you for watching our Sea and Farm Animals episode. Subscribe now for a splashy safari and experience the thrill of adventure while learning about the diversity of life in the aquatic jungle. Let's make a splash and create memories that will last a lifetime. Until the next muddy adventure, bye bye Junior Wanderers.